Our feelings don't go away just because we decide not to think about them or to just kind of ignore them. Hi, I'm Dr. Phey Ling from the Psychology and Child and Human Development Academic Group in NIE NTU. It is important to look after our mental health because our mental health actually affects how we feel, how we think, and what we do, right? And because of that, it affects our work, our relationships, and how well we are able to function on a daily basis. Usually, the first sign that your stress is going out of hand is your feelings, your emotions. For example, you feel really overwhelmed. Apart from the emotional symptoms, you could also be feeling physical symptoms, or what we call psychosomatic symptoms. This means that you're not actually ill, but you do feel like you are ill. So, for example, you could have a massive headache. You might also have nausea, a stomach ache, and some people even go to the extent of vomiting. Burnout is a real problem, even though it doesn't have an official classification in the ICD-10 or DSM-5. It has, however, been linked to depression, anxiety, trauma, or work-related stress. So in other words, burnout is really about prolonged work-related stress. And the symptoms of burnout include feeling really exhausted, feeling very detached from your work and very cynical about your work, and feeling incompetent and unproductive. So it's this constant feeling of exhaustion. No matter how much or how little you sleep, you still feel tired, you feel drained, you probably get headaches and stomach aches quite a lot. You might also have a change in appetite. Have a self-care plan in place. So eat well, sleep well, and of course exercise. The next thing is to take care of our feelings. You know, our feelings don't go away just because we decide not to think about them or to just kind of ignore them. And the feelings are still there, and it's important to process your feelings with someone. Instead of just focusing only on work, it is important to focus on other things as well. So maybe find a hobby or do something that is meaningful to you, something that can allow you to relax and yet grow on a personal level. It's also very, very important to take care of our spiritual health, something that helps you to, a space for you to reflect on yourself, reflect on how you are really thinking and feeling, just me time. Check in on them, see if they need help or a listening ear, and then just listen to what they're experiencing. Don't judge, right? Validate and accept their feelings for what they are, because the feelings are not right or wrong. It's just a result of what they're actually experiencing. Don't give advice unless they ask for it. Right? So the most important thing is to be present. And if you think that they are beginning to break down from the stress and not able to function, it is really, really important to persuade them to get professional help. One of the things that I found very useful is to share how I got help when I was stressed. So my suggestion would be to take some time out and walk with them to the counselor's office. just to help them make that first crucial step to help themselves.